Final step for the X's and O's is attaching the wire end to the end of your hasp. Okay, when you get your kit, this should already be connected for you. If not, just open it. It's a little lobster half. Pull this down, stick it through the larger hole, and it'll clamp on. So you finished off with the O, and you had your wire hanging, right? Twist it together so it's one wire. It's much easier like that. So you ended with a O and you started with a O. Okay? Get the wires through the tiny hole of the closure hasp. See that little, there you go. See, and you're gonna wanna leave yourself at least as long as this much room for your crimper. So get that in there, okay? It's kind of tricky. This might take a couple practices, but once you get it, you got it. Then you're gonna wanna face down, take your crimper, put it through the hole, face down, slide that as close to the beads as you can get. It's gonna make like a cute little bridge. Wrap it once around. So you're into the track. See that track? And you lay the wires down in there. And you did it. Close it down. Not too bendy because they get all like, I don't like seeing the actual marks of my pliers. So gently, gently, oops. This is a tiny one. The larger ones are easier. Okay, there you go. And you got it flat and you know it's in there. Then you're gonna have like little pokey ones sticking out. Just cut them off or bend them. I like to cut them off and bend them just so they have like a smooth finish. And there you go. Your closures are intact with the haspies. So if you wanted to do the crimpers, this is how you would do it to finish it off. If you didn't want to do the crimpers, you just wrap it around and it just looks like this, which my mom does not appreciate the wraparound look. I think it's kind of cool. It kind of looks like a little bead, but to each his own. And I hope you guys have fun putting this kit together. I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.